to advocate SPIT? I repeat that for you. If you were a part of the legislative body of the Philippines, what steps would you make to advocate SPIT?
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you, Ma'am Janet, for that wonderful question. If I were to be a part of the legislative body of the Philippines, I will advocate special education by first doing it first for myself. I will stop discriminating others, and I will stop all those prejudices